What's up? And yeah, I thought that like I should probably, because I missed like this week's video, I thought that I could make a live stream because like I've really wanted to try this out. And sorry for the crappy quality, like I have these settings like all over the place, and I hope that my audio, like my voice, comes clear through. And yeah, so I thought that like we could try and build a like broadcasting interface. Like you probably have seen like Go XLR or something like that. And like when you're streaming, like you probably need a mute button and like buttons for like a ton of hotkeys to like change scenes and like stuff like that. So I thought that like it would be pretty nice to make a physical device. And yeah, I thought that like an Arduino Uno would be a pretty good like device to make that, because it's like dirt cheap. And like if you buy like Go XLR, it's like 400 euros. So yeah, I thought like this kind of thing would be like kind of interesting. I don't know, like I really don't know, but like basically what I want to do like with this is like I want to have a couple of like features. And the first one is to like have a mute button. And like turns out I can't speak and write at the same time. So basically like one button that toggles your microphone's mute, like basically you can like put that like some hotkey. But like usually what happens, like you mute yourself and you start talking, and like you didn't unmute yourself. So yeah, I think like it should have some sort of indication of when your microphone is muted. So before I do that, like let me just quickly check. Yeah, it seems like my audio is coming through, so yeah, that's good. And we have, I don't know like what kind of indicator we are going to have, because like I like what I want to do is something like this. Like it's basically a like, think of it, it's probably like closest to a numpad, which is like an external device. Like my drawing skills are like really bad, but like this is a like button, and it's basically a grid of buttons. And like this is a button, this is a button, this is a button, and like every button has a light, like basically it's the same as your keyboard. So I basically have like one right there. I'll show it like in a moment. So okay, so we want some kind of indication of or like indicator to like show you like are you actually muted or not. Maybe like an red LED that shines on your face or something like that. Because like it's really really easy to like accidentally mute yourself and like talk for like 10 minutes without anyone noticing. So and one other thing that I really want to do is to like change the brightness, because I have like two lights here. Like I already like took them apart. They are like on the table there, which I'll show you in a minute. So basically like I went to like, because like when I'm playing games and stuff like that, like I don't want like really bright lights shining on my face. So I thought like it would be nice to like change the brightness based on the scene. And basically what you could do is you could like change the color of your room or something like that. Like you could do pretty much anything you like. Like I think it, like the brightness is probably like the most useful. And I'll just like make a list of everything. So like if you're watching this as a VOD, you can like understand what is going on. So change lighting brightness. Just current scene. So like maybe if it's like game capture, it's like probably like 20 to 40% of the brightness. Like when you have like I actually don't have a full screen, like you can, like my face is just this little box, because like I have a webcam here and my like actual like I'm using my phone as a camera and it's over there. So like when I would be having a full screen view, like the camera, it's like you really need that light, especially when you're using a phone. So like full screen camera, and I would say it's like the max brightness. What else? The mute button is probably the most important part of this. So the like change of lighting, like the brightness, it's like something that you could do, and probably like some hotkeys for like changing the scenes or something like that. Or changing the scenes. That's probably like pretty much everything that I'll want to like have on this. Like we could like add displays and stuff like that to like see like some information on the stream, but like I really feel like that like it's really hard to like to look at like your stream deck. So I don't know, like I think like we should probably start from the muting option, and it's pretty much like done already. So yeah, let me just show you like what we are working on. Okay, so yeah, this is the basically the setup that I want to use. Like this is like I bought some Cherry MX Red keys from like eBay a long time ago, and I just put them in a grid like this, and basically this should be like all we need for like the streaming interface. I was like thinking about like 3D printing some custom caps for like these two, perhaps for like muting. Like one of these would be for muting, and like this would be like muting for Streamlabs, and this would be like muting for Discord, and like these would be like for scenes or something like that. So that's what I'm like thinking to like build here. And this is just a regular Arduino, you know, and this has the extension shield on it. Yeah, this is like one of the most affordable Arduinos out there. Like you don't need anything like special, like just the cheapest one. It's like good enough for this. Let me demonstrate how this works. Okay, so as you can see, like this will automatically mute my microphone when this like turns on, and if I press this W and like I keep talking, like it'll mute myself. Like okay, I'll just keep talking and press this. Okay, so you can't hear me like any. You can't hear when I press this. Okay, so yeah, it mutes myself. Like yeah, let me just show you how that is done. We'll quickly like put that to GitHub so people can actually grab that. So just this is the, if you can see this properly. I don't know, this stream seems to have a really high delay for some reason. But yeah, like this is the Python script for like communicating with the Streamlabs API, because like basically the Streamlabs has a backend API that you can basically talk to it and say, okay, mute the mic, and like you can ask, is the mic muted? So let me just quickly show you the Arduino code first. Okay, so this is the code for the Arduino, and basically this is a really simple one. This bounce to library is for like checking the button state, and if it changes, like I really recommend using this. Like you don't need to do the debouncing yourself. Like this is super useful. If you don't know how to install the libraries, like you can click the sketch here, and oh, you can see that. Okay, just a second. I'll switch to desktop capture, like real quick. Yeah, just a second. It will be a bit harder to see like stuff on the desktop capture, because like it's capturing everything. But I hope that you can see something. Okay, so here's the desktop capture. Basically, if you don't know how to install libraries with Arduino IDE, for example, if you want the Bones2 library, you go to Sketch, include library, like manage libraries, then this opens up, and you can just search for the library, like here, and just press enter, and it should like come right here, and you can just click install. Like it's super easy, like it's really useful, and you don't have to like mess around with downloading anything, so this just does everything for you. So but yeah, I'll change back to window capture. It's just much easier to use. So basically all we need here is like the button press and a serial port that is open, and this is for the like the pin 3 is for the LED. So you're just changing the microphone state and like sending like like it's currently like it's just like the Streamlabs OBS or the Python script. It's just asking like, okay, what's the microphone state, and like we are just sending it to the like Streamlabs OBS API. So it's just basically like this is really simple, like 40 lines of code. So okay, let's move on to the Python script, and just a minute. Okay. Seems like it has crashed. Oh come on! I have been. Yeah, I was actually. Yeah, I was muted. So yeah, this is the problem that I'm trying to solve. Yeah, and seems like I should probably like do a check on the beginning on this code for like is the microphone muted, like before because like this actually just muted when this script starts, so I should probably change that. What have I said here? Well, I was just explaining like that you need like this, and basically like the cheapest Arduino that you can get your hands on, this like script, and you're good to go. Like yeah, one button, one LED, and like that's it. But yeah, we should probably modify this like to check actually like if it's like if the microphone is muted or not. Yeah, I should have done this a long time ago. Microphone state. Where is this coming from? Okay. Let's make this global so we can change it and okay, so it does. We probably need to do the weight thingy like here. I really don't get this, like we have to wait for like everything in this, so I don't know if we can do this even here. We should probably have to do this like a bit differently, like we probably have to do it here and is yeah, so you can use this to like determine if you have like check the value, so if not is we need to check it and just put that like here. You can just update mic state, the like actual state of it, so and after that we can like set the is microphone checked like to true, so it won't run again, so this should work. Check microphone state starting. Okay, so yeah, this should probably do the job. I hope. Okay, so we should probably try this out. Okay, so the microphone is on. I'll open up the script and it seems like this is like muting me all the time. Okay, so it seems like it mutes me. Let's just try out. Okay, if I'm going to mute myself from Streamlabs, will it unmute me when I start? Nope, it seems like it's always muted. Okay, so next up we should probably check if the like code actually goes here. Let's just start model Just muted. Okay. Okay, so it's saying like that like microphone is muted, but like oh, it's like oh yeah. I didn't think that like yeah, because like the Arduino is like programmed to like think that like it's muted on startup, so we should probably like tell it to like what the actual microphone state is going to be, and we should probably get a model before this, and let's just get it here and okay, so we got the model and we should like put this here. This should probably do the trick, I hope. I really do hope so. Nope, it still doesn't work. Okay, so it says that like model muted, so it should be false. Like, have I done this? Like, is the microphone state like, is it the actual state? I don't know what is going on anymore. What? This should work, right? Like, I'll just add like this to here, so we can like properly debug this. I'm just so confused, like why this is still muting my microphone. Okay, so basically the muting is happening like right here, so it's asking if, and this is happening right here, so okay. I need to put this here, because like I was reading the like microphone value, I was reading like, okay, it is muted, and then I'm doing like this, like, come on. Why is it so hard, like, do stuff? Okay, the microphone got muted again. Start, pause, on. But it should be sending like a microphone on command to the Arduino. Should I put a sleep here? I'm so confused. Wait. Like, it seems like it should work fine, right? Somehow it's still like muting my microphone. I'll just quickly like comment this out and set muted false. I'll just like print some stuff instead, because like I don't want my microphone to get muted all of the time. Yes, it's really hard to like know if my microphone is actually muted. Set muted true. What? Okay, so if that's mof command, mon, microphone state is false. What? Microphone state is false, so it'll send a 0. What? Did I do like this the wrong way around? What? Okay, so you can see like both Arduino IDE and Visual Studio at the same time. I'll try to like get both. You can't properly like see anything properly after I put like both of them here, but like I hope you can see like something. What is going on? Okay, so microphone on, microphone state is false. What? What have I done here? This should be like the other way around, right? What? Okay, I'll just change these. And you probably are going to have a bit of a hard time like reading everything on stream, like yeah, it's pretty cramped, like at least you can see both of them at the same time. Okay, and let's try it out. Set muted is still true. What? Let me just try this out by hand. I'll just switch to the desktop capture, so now you are definitely not going to see anything like for real. Okay, so now you should be able to see like, okay, so if the Streamlabs sends like a so it should be sending like this command, like microphone on, but like but it should be like mic 0. It should be true, right? What? Why is the taboo? What? I have no idea how I like managed to get this working. Like, why do I have like a bool here? Because like I'm just declaring the variable like 2 times. What? Okay, so now I'm sending the microphone on, and then I'm asking. Okay, so it's returns 1, and 1 should be not muted. Okay, so now it should be working, right? Right? Yeah, this is like if you try to open up the serial port, like somehow Arduino IDE doesn't know like if somebody else is asking for access, probably Windows. Okay, so set muted is false. So it seems to be working fine. I'll just try out muting myself and we'll see if it returns true here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, finally. Finally. I have no idea what I was doing with that code. Like, how did it even work? Like, I have no idea. Set microphone state on. No. Enable. I just want to make this really clear because like it seems like sometimes it's just I don't know what I was thinking about, like, but like that can't work in a million years. So, yeah, this should be fine now, I guess. So we should probably like try enabling everything again to see if it actually works. Okay, I'm going to start this up and yeah, it seems like it's still working. So okay. The Arduino seems to be just fine. If I press the button, okay. What? Okay, so now the mute button, like, it doesn't work anymore. What did I do? Okay. So I probably like messed up this. Okay, so this is the start thing. I should probably mark this like better. I usually like have these eagle marks to like, I don't know, it's just like easier to like see like what's what and like differentiate like what parts from them, like each other. I don't really know, like why is like it's just switching all over the place. If we want to just mute. What? Should be off, right? Okay, so off is disable. What? This should be fine, right? What is going on? What if I just like change these like this? What? I don't know, it's just muting and unmuting myself. What? Let me just, okay, so this works fine. This only works like on the beginning, and this is just getting the audio source and the model. Okay. So the problem, it must be here, I guess. Okay, so if I send my command, it'll return the state, and the state will be 1 if the microphone is enabled. Should probably be like this, I guess. It's like professional coding, like I'm just trying different things randomly. Okay, so now this doesn't do anything. Not just blinking out. What? Okay, so let's go through this. Okay. It should work, right? It's 0 if it's muted, and it's 1 if it's enabled. And model muted is, if it's muted, it's 1. No, this should be like the other one, but just print some things here. Just print like the data. It's like this is the like microphone state that it's reading, like just the F string here. State is going to be O, and the muted is going to be the like model. Okay. And we have the serial pod open. Okay. Why is the state changing? Like, what is going on? Just take this out for clarity. Okay. So the microphone, it's like what the Arduino is saying. Okay. Arduino is saying microphone is the one, muted is false. Okay, so it goes here. I'm off is going to set it as say false. Oh. What? No, it should be like this. Why do I even have like this? Oh god. I should probably like rewrite this a bit. Okay. Now microphone is one, muted is false. If I press the button, literally nothing happens. For real. Nope. Nothing happens if I press the button. What does this even do? Like, why is this here? Just to try out what happens. Like, if I just completely take this out. Oh, now it works, but like the LED on like the Arduino doesn't change at all. What? Let's just try this one more again. This should work fine, but like, I don't know. Should this be like answer? Okay, so we are reading the Arduino is thinking about like the microphone values. Okay, so we are setting the no, this should be like right, because like we want to make sure that the microphone is actually muted before we like actually like change the status of the LED. Now it just seems like if I press the button, like nothing changes. The why? Okay, but when it changes, like it just starts to like flicker, like it goes on and off. What? What if I don't listen to the like? If I don't change the state, I'll let the Arduino like handle it. Oh yeah, then we get the like same problem again, like as we had on the beginning, so it won't actually like let us change the like when we boot up. We can't like say okay, like the Streamlabs is unmuted. We can't like change it anymore. It's doing this. So it's muted. Do we need to actually like get his again? It comes from source. Do we actually need to like update his after we have changed the state? I don't think so. It's probably a simple solution. Like I'm just not going like just. I just have no idea like what it is. Yeah, I'll just end the stream here and I'll figure this out on a better time. So yeah, kind of failure of a stream, but like I hope that I'll get like this like streaming things figured out so I could do proper streams. So yeah, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll get this sorted out so we can finish this. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.